Lieutenants from the Infantry and Armor Basic Officer Leadership courses spent 17 weeks training in classrooms preparing for the ultimate test. First-hand experience, combining learned techniques, and working together as a combined force.
It's huge for the students to get out there to understand some of the assets available to them, the limitations, capabilities of for combined arms fight. Lieutenants get to talk about it in training, get to learn about it in the classroom, and we get out here on this training area and go ahead and put all those skills that they've learned and fundamentals and actually put them to use in order to train adaptive leaders.
Armor students from A Bullock teamed up with infantry students from I Bullock in a combined arms exercise that would have them working together with half on offense and half on defense. Leading the companies were students from the Maneuver Captain's Career Course, giving them the unique opportunity to experience the role of a company commander prior to serving as one.
The students are seeing for the first time the integration of reconnaissance, armor, and infantry, and how they all work together on the battlefield, as well as ISR. We have a Raven out here that's conducting missions, so it's the first time they're getting exposure to three-dimensional battlefield and the complexities that are associated with combined arms maneuver.
The goal for this exercise was to allow lieutenants to gain experience in a real-life environment. Students had access to tanks, dismounted and mounted weapon capabilities, and an unmanned aerial asset known as the Raven, which allows students to obtain aerial reconnaissance of their surroundings.
We keep our units pure in their task organization, so all of tanks are together, all our infantry together, because it's a convenient way to organize, but it's not a very effective way to fight. So to be more effective warfighters, you have to split the units together, combine them, and they have to get training. They have to learn each other's strengths and weaknesses and learn how to communicate. We all speak a slightly different lingo. And having an ability to see a lot of that stuff will teach them some of the difficulties they face when they're young lieutenants in the operating forces.
Students issued operation orders, dug into fighting positions, and interlocked sectors of fire to make sure their plans were synchronized.
In order to get the most effect out of our forces, we have to utilize the capabilities of all the different types of forces we have. In the Army, we're all one team and we all work together. Once they go into the force, if they're reconnaissance, they're going to be in support of other elements, whether it's tanks or infantry.
As armor and infantry continue to work together to produce agile, adaptive, and capable leaders, the experience gained during this experiment enhances the students' knowledge and ability to fight as a combined arms team. While this exercise is not a mandatory part of the program instruction, course instructors look forward to continuing this training in the future.
You see him? Hold on.
Katie Cook, Fort Benning TV.
Fire!